Hello everyone, it's Peter here from ScreenProtector. Guys, so today we got a board from eBay, okay? Came for Samsung, 43-inch, that's a mainboard with power supply. I don't like these, to be true. I like power supply separately from the mainboard. But it is what it is. I'm wishing that only by swapping mainboard we will be able to fix the TV for the customer, because customer is looking forward to this fix, and you know it's not nice when you are left without a TV. So fingers crossed, it's marked as a working one. I bought it several times and I've seen that people are putting these smiley faces, and I like it as it's a good practice, you know, when you've got a stock. I've got a printer, yes, and I'm printing just a model on it. So you know, one way is those printers, and second way is just those stickers, yes. So one way or another, but this, you know, doesn't tell you anything apart from that you need to read, you know, those things, yes, or other numbers. I prefer to have a proper sticker with proper name on the board, like, okay, I can't show you because I don't have, these are power supplies and I know which ones they are. Vestel is specific, so it doesn't matter. What I want to say is here, okay, here, this board, if we will swap it, I will try to spend some time to analyze the fault in the faulty mainboard. But for now, what I'm interested in is pause this recording, get that out, okay, tidy up this, because that's the box which in this box came this board, and try to swap it and see if we're lucky to have a picture on that TV. If so, customer will be happy to have it back into the working shape and hopefully no more issues with that TV, yes. If that won't be the case, when maybe we will be able to figure out what's causing the issue of the fault. Fingers crossed, easy fix, board swap. That's us. Be right back. Okay, so I do the board swap, you know, with fuse. Let me disconnect everything first. Okay. Now 2 connectors for the backlight and for the speakers. Okay. Okay, all are undone. Now this is the, okay, this is the model which you need to lift up and then pull it. So not pull it, push it out into the direction of these. Let's put it aside. Let's get this one. Okay, slide in, that's it. One, two, three, and 4. Three and the last one. Oh, not this this way. Okay. Let's get power cable. Okay, we got it. Whoa. Smart TV. No smart? Yay, we got it. That's it, guys. That's everything. I thought if you press the and hold power button it will switch off. Okay, it does. So guys, that's it. That's a simple fix, as you see, just swapping a board and the customer will be happy. I need to test it still, you know, if this not going down or anything, because we don't know. Never know. It's better to, you know, play it for some time. I can put something on, maybe, you know, I need to probably disconnect Netflix or YouTube or some Google account. Who knows what it is over there, you know, I don't want to give it to the customer in that shape. So that's first thing which I need to do. Then I will allow it to play it or via HDMI, you know, like just make few simple tests. Once I'm sure, I can let customer know that everything is fine, and I can as well test these two boards, okay? With certain boards you expect certain faults. These faults sometimes are repetitive, sometimes they are unknown. Yes, I know only a few faults. I know only the few. The few are repetitive for me and the rest are just new, so if I have to waste a lot of time on them, I will just quit, because, you know, other jobs are waiting and I'd rather focus on them. Yes, but yeah, you know, if I can compare these two boards and find some valid points, it would, you know, get me to the point that I understand the fault and I can fix it, or I can understand at least and not fix it, then I can share it with you. Yes, but for now I call it a fix, and as you see, some of the fixes are really simple, by just replacing a mainboard or replacing the backlight or replacing power supply or replacing a T-con or putting some paper or tape on the LVDS signals, you know, and cutting off. Yes, and there are more complicated jobs as well. Yes, but you know, it's like worth doing. Yes, it is worth doing. That's why, you know, hopefully you've got some value out of it. And you see, 8 minutes recording the job. I've done it in total, testing, finding a fault, then ordering, picking up, installing within 1 hour. Yes, now I will spend about half an hour to 1 hour just to test it. Yes, and that's me, just everything. I'll be dropping off this TV to the customer, from the customers from Edinburgh, so a bit far, but usually when I'm going to Edinburgh I'm planning collecting something from Edinburgh, sometimes faulty TV, sometimes something else. So we will see, you know, maybe I'll bring some more stuff, hopefully not more TVs, because I've got a lot. I've got 43, now 42 will be inch, 2 of them. Well, for now it's one, yes, and I don't know if I will be fixing the second one. Then I've got two 42 or 3 inch LG 4K as well, smart TVs here. I've got Finlux as well, 55 inch. I need to fix something about 30-inch or get faulty and fix it to have in the offer, and I've got 55 offer smart Panasonic as well for sale. So yeah, I've got two variants of the 55-inch, one for now 40 odd inch. I will have second one quite shortly, because I've got in full HD with new backlight, that one behind us, yes, LG, which you just seen few episodes before, like few days before, if you would follow the data time, like a date timeline on those videos. And then it will be one Polaroid, I think, and two LGs, yes, so that's what I want to prepare. And then they will be for sale, yes, they will be lying, some of them will be lying for a few months, but that's it, you know. And at least when customers are coming with a faulty TV, I can give them an option, yes. Do you want to take this TV for now, use it, yes, pay me like for a TV or cheaper one, you know, one of those cheaper ones. For now, I will be fixing your one, and you can keep that one as a spare device on a time of repair, and you can pay me back the difference only, or I can pay you back the difference when I will fix your, and if I will fix your TV, yes. That's why I want to have at least 6 TVs at all times, yes. Even if I won't sell them, that's okay, you know, that's okay. But as long as customer will come and say, well, I've got a faulty TV, when can you fix it? I can give you one working today. It's looking better than, you know, like, oh, let me check, let me see, yes. And 2 weeks later, customer still don't know what's happening with their TV. So that's it, guys, in this episode. Hopefully you get a value out of it, and let's treat customers better, and they will be able to trust us, and we will be able to keep up with a 5-star rating. Guys, I can't believe I've got 98 people subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm so thanking you. You really are doing a good job. You've got no idea. That's really motivating me, because all I'm short is just 2 people subscribing on the 27th of October 2022 to have 100 people, and I will be able to change channel's name to the ex.ScreenProtector from gibberish one. So thank you guys for that. Really thumbs up to use, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all.